Storm Team 4 with Central Ohio's most accurate forecast.
Florida right now bracing as Tropical Storm Nicole churns toward the Bahamas with the Sunshine State in its path next. This is a live look at the conditions right now at Jacksonville Beach. Nicole made landfall east of Florida with 70-mile-per-hour winds, just shy of a Category 1 hurricane. The storm is expected to strengthen to a hurricane this evening or early tomorrow morning. You can see the winds a little gray right now.
And the last thing that Florida needs
is another big storm.
Another big storm coming.
Yeah.
It is Storm Team 4 meteorologist Liz McGiffin joining us now with your most accurate forecast. I suppose we can do glass half full right now and say it could be worse right now with the wind speed.
Yeah, and that's one of the biggest things too, is it's always interesting to see there's that sigh of relief of at least we're talking about a tropical storm or that low end hurricane, but remember, this is still going over an area that is recovering from Ian, and on top of that, when we're talking about tropical storm to Hurricane 1 status, we're talking about wind speeds that are still about highway speeds. So 75 miles per hour is where this is just expected to grow as it heads toward Florida's east coast and then starts to shoot up through states like down toward Georgia. You'll notice that the path of this, it's going to continue to hug that eastern coastline, but remnant moisture even on track to move into central parts of Ohio. So next couple of days, this is still a system that we'll be watching for even here in Ohio. Meantime, though, you can tell we have high pressure in charge because it is blocking out any chance for showers, keeping the clouds out, so giving us that nice clear view for now on the Window Nation tower camera. The breeze, it's going to gradually decrease. It's coming in out of the southeast at 10 miles per hour, and that southerly flow has really been boosting our temperatures. We're still sitting at 70 degrees even here in Columbus, so well above those mid to upper 50s would be used to this time of the year. But thanks to that clear to mostly clear sky tonight, we'll quickly start to fall back down into the 50s throughout the evening. We won't even be toward that 50-degree mark until midnight. And as we head throughout the rest of the overnight hours, we'll continue to see at most just a few passing clouds, and it'll really be these next couple of days. So after Nicole makes landfall, that we'll be keeping an eye on moisture moving in from the south. So as we fast forward this all the way to 3 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, you notice that we still have high pressure in charge, creating that pocket of dry air. We'll kick in again a bit of a southerly breeze, which will aid in really helping to boost those temperatures. It will be Thursday night into early Friday, so during that early morning drive even, that we kick in some of that tropical moisture. So we could be talking about rainfall rates upwards of about 1 inch to 2 inches across the area. The one thing though that's going to aid in pushing out some of those showers is actually going to be a cold front. Now that front moves through late Friday and into early Saturday, so what we'll be left behind with just in time for the weekend, it will be drying conditions, but also a drastic drop in those temperatures. Tomorrow it'll be a bit of a cool start to the day. We'll wake up to those low 40s, so staying about seasonably chilly for this time of the year, and it'll be another great afternoon and evening tomorrow if you have the chance to get outside and enjoy these nice conditions, especially because like we were looking at, changes move in Thursday night into early Friday. That's going to be when temperature-wise we stay pretty mild with a high in the 60s, but bring in those rain showers. Really the drastic change heading our way, it's going to be temperature related for the weekend into the start of next week. That's when the cold front aids in knocking down high temperatures to right around 40 degrees.